Hello from Slovenia again. It's Monday today and I didn't paint a lot not yesterday. I did paint yesterday. Last week, so I'm just doing this Monday morning and you will see Monday evening, afternoon for you. And I will use up some colors that I had from yesterday's live. We played the game again. My viewers live choose the technique and colors and I did a pour. It was fun. I enjoyed those pours a lot. And today I have this heart. It's canvas. And I kind of want to do a flip cup, something like that, maybe floating around a little bit. And I will start with some turquoise blue, green and 24K gold. I don't have any silicone, this is just paints mixed with pouring medium. This is Winsor & Newton. I didn't use that one yesterday, but I want to use it today because I have a lot of it from I don't know which project. This is this little piggy agapanthus mixed with ultramarine violet by Amsterdam, and maybe I should do a little less solid color between that gold and this one. I don't know, this is manganese and manganese blue and Diox purple and some white, or it's pearl white, I don't even know because I didn't label it. Okay, and now I will flip this on my heart, and I will use this Winsor & Newton phthalo blue as my kind of flow extender a little bit. I don't know, we will see. And I will poke a hole. not sure what to do with that. Not a fan of those two different looks. If I grab a marble, I didn't use a marble for so long. Let's do that. Not exactly something that I would like. I had way too much paint. It's a cutie, don't get me wrong, but kind of missing something. I like this transparency here with those colors, but all together is just, I don't know. So here is a close-up. I turned off the light so you will not see a lot of shimmer, but I will be able to show you the details. And unfortunately I will not be able to show it to you dry. As I said at the beginning, I'm filming this video today, the same day that you watch it. Some really nice looking details. But I'm proud of myself that I stepped back, even though that I think that I could do better. But I will leave it to dry because it has this serene vibe, or how can I say, that I really want to see how it will dry. So I will show you the dry result in the next video probably. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!